Alright, hey everybody, that's Caden in the background there. Say hi, Caden. Hi. Hi. So we are on our way to the airport, and I'm not driving, so don't worry about that. I have had a rockin' day in terms of design projects. Some projects out there waiting. Thank you for your patience. I am working on your project. And also delivered a presentation on the implementation of sociocratic process in the Great Rivers and Lakes Permaculture Institute. So I'll tag that in this post, as well as getting ready to go to Port Townsend, Washington, and meet up with a bunch of friends and colleagues and people I haven't met yet, soon to be friends, at the Global Earth Repair Conference. So I will be doing some more of these videos throughout the weekend, just talking about what is unfolding and what's inspiring us, and then sharing with you. So I look forward to it and wish you all safe journeys. Take care.